Good job.
Rhino and Mommy need to cool off.
Yeah. Good job. Turn the page.
Pool of mud is a perfect place to start.
Nice job.
Good job.
Rhino likes
What does he do? He gets there.
very muddy. This is a white one.
Yeah. Yeah, there we go.
See, Mom is dirty too.
Yay! Uh-oh. Did you lose your spot?
You can
It's
find
okay,
it.
find
You can,
it.
you can, get
There it is.
it. Nope, next one. Yep, we read that one.
Oh, yeah.
Time to get clean.
Yeah.
Why don't Mommy take a shower?
Good
Yeah.
job. Good job, Sheldon.
Rhino likes to eat apple.
Yay!
Good
Yeah.
job.
Rhino and Mommy need to
Are ready to take a nap. They're ready to take a nap.
Yeah, take a nap.
Who knows this book better, Mindy?
Now go together and go to sleep.
Yay! Good job!
Now